Emitter. Output. Vou baixar. Teste. Ok, teste. E deve ter o áudio bem alto do microfone. Hello? Isto. I think we have a huge delay on YouTube. But it's okay. Ok, peraí. Desktop. No. Oh, it's possible. We shouldn't hear you. Unreal Engine. Properties. Peraí. Deixa-me passar o OBS aqui, que é para ser interessante. A cena é a tua, mano. Senão, olha, paciência, ficas conhecido aqui no YouTube, mano. You can speak in Portuguese, keep speaking in Portuguese, I speak in English to the audience. Can translate some stuff if needed. But okay, I will keep it like this. Se a gente te ouvir, olha, paciência, se lixe. I don't think we hear you. Acho que não. I think it's okay. We can't hear you. Just for privacy. But it's okay. Okay, I can move ahead. Okay, gun fixing. So basically, with the update I did on multiplayer, I got this specific gun, this shotty. She doesn't fire any bullets at the moment for some reason. I just tested it with my session front-end stuff. Well, basically debugging the game, and I noticed that it doesn't shoot at all. So yeah, so let's just start by printing stuffs. Let me just keep the chat here live if hopefully someone pass by. Yeah, I think it's okay. But I have no audio, no music. That's boring. Let me just grab one. Let me grab one thing. I like to code with some background music. The music I'm streaming here, it's different actually from what I'm actually listening to, because you know, copyright, YouTube doesn't like it is. But I could do streams directly into my website, so we don't have any copyright. What do we mean? Like a supervisor that could strike our channel. But no, it's okay for now. Okay, first things. So basically I'm on the shotgun, as you guys can see, and we will start. The shooting event works because when I actually try it, we can see the particle or the projectile appearing on the map. So So yeah, okay, let me just buy. What? I need to get rid of the crosshair on this interface. For some reason I have this crosshair. I have a lot of struggles with HUDs because to make the multiplayer working with this, I had to recreate the HUD from scratch. Not from scratch, of course not, but the main logic. And of course, when I interwrite some stuff, yeah, it's mess a bit. You see, you can see the ammo. It's not supposed to be. But as long as it's interactable, we are good. But that's not what I want for sure. So okay, I will fire the shotgun, but for some reason we have duplicated HUD here again. I don't know, maybe I'm on a multiplayer environment. No. Okay. Mais bugs ainda. It's bugs everywhere. So yeah, when I shoot, you can see, I don't know why, but it's shooting down. Doesn't make sense. What the hell? And if I go super high, okay. So basically, on what I understanding, it's my main rotation. Okay, it's focusing. Okay, the target is not. Okay, the target is not there. Remember the logic I did for this. If I remember, back in the days, it's come from old development. Some guns are using the crosshair aiming system to put the bullets there. But for the shotty, we don't take that in consideration because we don't need to calculate this. This logic, it doesn't make sense. And yeah, I need to try to debug this. I don't know where to start. So here I'm spawning the projectile. Here we have all the effects, the animation, the camera shake, the ammo logic, doesn't matter, the sounds, okay, doesn't matter. And we have like recoil, cooldown system for the ammo, the weapon. So nothing related with this. So the problem is not there. But the problem may occur somewhere here. Crosshair. Get orientation. Disable distance scope. Yeah, it's okay. So I'm disabling this. So if I disable this, true, false, go directly. No, if I'm disabling, let me just line trace it. Line trace for you know what is a line trace. persistent for duration. Can I increase this? No, I can't. It's okay. Não estou a perceber, esta não é toda bugada, não foi? Não estou a perceber nada disto. It should go there. I just shoot. Okay, guns is are existing. Okay, it's okay. Muzzle flash, not sure if it exists. We have a location, spawn location. We have here it is. We have a resulted location. Wait, I don't know. It needs to calculate first. Yeah, we have calculation there, but I don't know if this point is a legit one. Based on this, we are. Okay, we are. Okay. No roll, we have minus 20 from pitch, but it shouldn't be because as we are spawning, we shouldn't have the camera pitch it down. So. Yeah. So basically the result of the rotation may not be the correct one. And yeah. We shoot again. Sorry. It's better to try this horizontally aligned. So we are kinda sure that the pitch is like almost at 0 degrees. But it says minus 20, which is a lot for. Pitch but it goes. Says true, so it should be this value, but for the return it says 0. Maybe it's only a bug, maybe. No, the best way to debug is just I created this function which is debug location, which basically is just a simple sphere. Instead of using draw sphere to display the location and to set everything manually, like radio, segments, the color and stuff, I just did my own. So yeah, I don't have to worry about the styling of it, and it's still pretty visible on the map when it appears. So we'll show you what is it. So it's pretty huge, so we will see a sphere on the map when I shoot. It's used for. So if I shoot somewhere, I don't know where, but we should have a sphere. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's at center of the. Okay, I knew it. It's centered on the 0 line map level. So that means this value it's 0. Why? Because are we passing the camera component? Oh, there it is. We don't have any camera component. That's the problem. And in order to get the camera, I need to think a little bit of multiplayer too, because it's gonna... But what I usually do, if I remember right, in my gun parent, which comes from gun, I think I have access for my first person. Yeah. Let me see if I have an access for my camera actually. Oh, there it is, get casted camera. I think it's... It's this mine or it's the variable get first camera. I have two things there, I don't know which one is the correct one, but... It's a camera component, maybe it's working. Let me check the gun parents. So yeah, this is the gun parent for shotgun, okay? So if I go to the parent, I should have a camera, something camera. Especially when I set the camera. So there it is. So basically all my guns when they're starting on my different variables, I just created the camera reference, so it's okay. And if I go... So yeah, it should be okay. I think we can remove the my debug. I'm pretty sure that everything should work as expected. So I'm quite confident to remove this part. Yeah, it's working again because I had missed a camera. Okay, there is... Okay, so get orientation to crosshair, always need a camera. Why I'm doing this? Because I can use this system for other elements. Like for example, if you are controlling the drone support has a camera and you need to specify the camera always. Of course I could do like just get parent, not sure, but get owner or something like this. But I'm afraid about the reusability of this. So I think, can I remove this? I'm gonna leave this here, but this as we are here, let me just and bring everything is back here. Save. Okay, so this part is fixed, right? Let's go back to the testings, especially for the gun check. So this part here, money and guns, that's the name of the test. And if we are going ahead, it should try all my guns again, and we'll see. So as we can see, we are working with the Italian gun, so everything looks like it's working because it's destroying all the enemies. So even the projectiles are working. we are switching now for dual gun. It's only do for the right gun because it's only the left click which is being triggering. But the function is the same, so okay, so the shotgun worked. Now we are going to the glass breaker again. Everything's working. The exhauster doesn't work, as we can see. There is no projectile going out. These are special guns for the future, but I'm not sure if it will be the final. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use my main auto-gen to do a better gun for this. But yeah, let's fix it either way. I'm pretty sure that it's the same problem. Pretty sure that it's the same problem. Or maybe not, we don't know. Get orientation, yeah, that's the same thing. So I need to get casted, if I remember, camera and just bring it here. I don't know if Unreal Engine have something like if you don't provide any pin, it should like mention the... I don't know. I know that some elements are required. Let me think. Camera component. I think pass by reference. What do you mean by that? No. I don't know if it's possible doing it by blueprint. Of course, by coding, pretty sure that you can do it, but I'm not too familiar with C++ coding, and actually I don't really care about this at the moment. So yeah, never mind. I prefer to stick with the blueprint. It's easier for me, and it was my main entry to Unreal Engine programming, and as long as I can do the things via blueprint, it's okay. At the end, in terms of performance, it's still, I think, the same, as long as you don't do crazy stuff like in Eventic and so on. And if you are doing things in Eventic, you should consider to instead, that's a tip actually, instead of doing a tick, try to use like a delay or timeout, that you can use a larger time delay than Eventic. But sometimes, yeah, you have to use tick, especially for animations, but still pretty sure that you can manage everything. For example, in first person, that's completely other story, but I know that my first person character FPC has a lot of things in Eventic, especially for camera movement and speed, momentum and stuff. Sway weapon, yeah, I have a lot of things here on the Eventic. Yeah, it's quite a lot actually. It's mostly camera shake, some jump reception camera shake that should be events instead of tick event. Pretty sure that I can optimize this for sure. Some effects like for the audio, when for example you are sprinting or you are jumping around, you hear the whine. So that is done with the momentum of the player. Pretty basic stuff. But yeah, of course you can't do everything. Haven't tick, yeah, other thing. This part is more complex one, is basically for debug stuff. I have a lone event here. RIP. Tá aqui. Tinha aqui uma função tipo isolada, tipo no canto, olha aqui. Tá aqui esta cena toda e depois, oh, there it is. Forever alone. Yeah. Okay, actually this function I can remove it. I'm not using it anymore. And we still optimize. Yeah, I can remove this. And now the game crashes. Blue screen. Não, está-se bem. Não há stress, maninho. Okay, so exhauster should be good. Let's start. Actually need to remove these sprints. It was the sprint from yesterday when I was trying the bullet deviation. I don't need this. The bullet deviation only works with the lifespan of the gun. So the more you use the gun, the more deteriorated the gun will be and the more deflection of the gun will be. But since I don't have this system quite ready, or I mean saving on the player computer, we will bypass this for now. I'm pretty happy with the BP global maps items, the blueprint I created to reuse a lot of things through all the levels. But actually I still have no HUD. Yeah, for any reason. I need to check this problem. I did import this global map, except Habibi. Habibi. Okay, the exhauster worked. So, okay, I think I test all the guns already. Habibi, I think all the gun is working. I'm going to speak like this right now. Habibi, all the guns are working. Everything is working. Okay. So this part it's okay. It should be green, but for some reason it's red. First person HD. Because of that's the main problem I wanted to fix by bringing the global map item, but the HUD still not opening. And in order to do that, what I usually do, overwrite level blueprint. Yeah, okay, I forgot. I'm pretty sure that if I do this, I should have the UI. Yeah, there it is. Okay, nice. Fuck. I love the global maps items, man. That's crazy. Mano, tá muito fixe, pá. Fogo. Viste? Tive só a fazer aqui o tick da coisa e ficou logo a UI a aparecer. Eu só tenho que ir aos mapas e ativar os gajos todos. So basically, I just have to go now to each of my levels where I have the... Where are you? Global. Okay, and I just overwrite level blueprint, so it will handle a cinematic, and right after the cinematic it handles the HUD and the player gun, etc. So I just have to go to all my levels and actually I can, yeah, and I just have to set them out. Okay, save the door, same for the door. It's not important, but as we are working on this. Okay. So now we shouldn't have any issue right now. Hopefully. We can see here on the side on the message log. I think the errors appear there, or maybe not. No, I think it's appearing here. It's pretty cool. Então como é que vai esse Death Stranding, mano? Já fizeste a fazer entregas de pizzas? Já fizeste entregas de pizzas? Isto é Uber, mano. Já encontraste as ziplines? Aquela cena de ir de uma montanha para outra? Ok. Ok, let's go. I still have errors on HD first person. Well, at the end of the day I can say, okay, everything is working, so it's okay. But the test's still complaining. Trying to read property HD first person character, yeah, it's probably not... because maybe due of all refactor I've been doing, not refactoring but all of the work, some tests may be struggling a bit. Access not trying to read. It's mostly HUD character that is not open. Access none trying to read property. But we will bypass this thing right now. It's mostly the same error, but I don't know where exactly it comes from. It's basically the same. Nodes, access node, circuit effects. What? Oh, wait. The logs are different when I click on this guy. Okay, so maybe it's not related. Okay, FT money and then finished test result invalid. Test was aborted. Why? Infinite loop detected. Blueprint gun. Missilers. Okay, that's the missing gun. We didn't try it because we have an error with the infinite loop, so it's not good. Event start shooting call show. So can I show the show? Show. Event start shooting show. Okay, let's debug the missiler. Missiler is another great weapon I created, where basically you can hold the left click, so you charge up. You are charging up like a scan thing to target all the enemies, and when you release that trigger, it's firing all the missiles to each enemy. But for some reason I'm having now this loop error, so this could be a loop, an infinite loop, because yeah, why not? I can simply we had something. Let me just search for show, because that's a thing. No. Let me just... What? Gunparent? No, it's okay. Missiler is okay. Well, the missiler is not our official weapon yet, so I don't really have to test it out. But yeah, it will be... If it's an easy fix, it's okay. Agora estava a pensar, estamos a ouvir na live? Não, acho que não. Por isso é como eu estou a falar. É PT. Faz lá stream, meu. Já agora, estou aqui a ver também. Let me get to the Twitch. Let's support the Pedro Twitch, man. Let me share on my YouTube. There it is. Check them out. Or check him out. It's not working, Pedro. Pedro, it's not working. Oh, there it is. He's playing. It's a good friend. It's playing Death Stranding. I quite like the environment of the game. Of course, the game is more environmental type of game. Let me just share it. But yeah, for action I rather prefer a good Call of Duty Call of Duty, or even sim racing games. Ja, vorst. Yeah, give some support to Pedro. He really needs help. He got stuck with the truck in the middle of a river, just supported by a a tiny stair. I don't know the name of this stair. I don't remember. Okay, going back. Those missile. Still infinite loop. That's crazy. Okay, but it's not important right now. The missile load, it's not a big deal. I'm just going to leave it for just to be sure. But it's okay. Oh. Bon. Other tests we can run. Test turret. So basically it's gonna test AI, switch weapon and turret interaction, so we can be sure that everything's working. So okay, the AI worked because I just saw some shot of the enemy. I think everything is working. Not sure about the I need to do one by one because the AI, I don't know why the Unreal Engine bugs out a little bit. Yeah, you see, when I do just a single test, it possesses the enemy. So this part worked. The problem, yeah, I have this problem. Now we need to get fixed this thing. The enemy moved, so it's okay. Access not trying to read properly HD character, but I don't know where. From where? Are all my levels open level print? Let me check. Any HD or something? Oh, there's nothing. I don't know, man. Okay, anyway, I'm just checking. I can see shit if it's worked or not. I really need to test to update this HD or to fix this HD thing. Yeah, interaction is working. Yeah, because of the cinematic I can see. So it should be okay. Turret is done. Main player is done. Doors, this level should be okay. Okay, didn't open the first, but open the last one, hopefully. I didn't touch it. Yeah, it's working. So all this part is working. But yeah, I need to update this HD thing. Otherwise I can test my own things. Check for player damage, so this is cool to check if actually being hit. So we can check the HD here. All the enemies are killing me. Okay. Okay. This drone is okay. This drone is working too. The thing with the enemies I need to do is to have a parent for both. So for the androids and the drones. Because for the drop items, as we have seen yesterday, the logic are different. So when I was trying to fix it for the drones, I was expecting to do it for the androids, but it didn't. Because they're not sharing the same code, so I need to do a parent class for this. Okay, everything's working. There is only one missing boss that I didn't bring into that map, but I need to test manually, which is the final boss, so Absorber. Let's play the game actually, and let's go. Yeah, I'm being hit. Can I be hit by the laser? I'm being hit. It's okay. And the laser too. Okay, so this part is working. Okay. We can see when a test is successfully, it's working successfully. You can see the tick here, the green one. I wonder why it didn't complain about the HD thing at that moment, but it's okay. Okay, for the testing we are good. I can package the game. Yes, so let me update the to-do list. So this is done. You're gonna die. You're getting wrecked. Fixing shotgun is okay, running tests is okay, to do play a package version. Okay, so let's go. Now I'm going to test the game. I'm going to actually package it and we can try together the multiplayer to see. So yeah, I'm going to do this. And in order to package this guy, just have to go right here and shoot everything. Okay, while it's packaging, let's see some cream weed gameplay. As físicas da carrinha são bem esquisitas. Já estás bem equipado, meu. Altamente. E elas chegam. E aquela crosshair parecia do Emitters, meu. Olha lá o mapa. Estou a ver com delay. Yeah. O do drone suporte é esse. A crosshair é parecida, não é igual. Fast and Furious. Yeah. É pessoal que criou. Yeah. E tu podes deixar lá o like para suportar o. Mas eu não sei se é do mundo inteiro. Porque imagina. Já vou. Kill it with fire. Kill it with fire. Okay, come on, packaging. What are you doing? What the hell? Oh, it's launching the game, but I will try it on Steam. Okay, Pedro, we have a new version coming in. Vou só mandar para o Steam e depois a gente experimenta. Se conseguir, né? So I'm going to update on Steam, but of course I'm going to hide these parts. I don't know if I'm packaging directly to the folder, but I'm not sure. I think it's I don't remember where did I store the game actually, but I think it's on the desktop. I have an i9 CPU and sometimes it lags out of nowhere. I remember Emitters package version. No. It's okay, yeah, that's it. Somehow. Okay, it's just the name. Okay. And I got confused because I have multiple of manifest files, but I'm not sure what it use it for. I read a little bit about this, but I don't remember. Okay. Folder. Windows Beta. I'm getting mentally tired. I can't process anymore. Okay, I'm going to upload it now, but before going here I need just need to hide everything. Give me a second, I'll be right back. I'm just making sure that it's hidden because of course I had some credentials and I have to put just looking for Steam. Just give me a Okay, it's scanning. I'm going back. What time is it? Almost midnight. Already. Wanted to play some Rocket League. Deixa eu experimentar o Emitters, mano. Estou a fazer upload agora. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm uploading. I can get the track here. It's pretty cool. Don't forget to check out my Emitters OST, man. So I did some tracks for the game. These one, of course, are the best, are the ones that are on the game. But of course, I usually do a lot of other ones in FL Studio and some stuff. So for fun, so it's pretty cool too. Popular track, self-upgrade. Oh my god. There is no like. What the hell? Okay, we are almost uploading. Let's move to the Steam. Let's move to Steam. But of course I will add this here. Emitters, because Emitters. So this is the build. I'm not sure if I went to the correct one, but oh, okay. Okay, beta. Actually, let me just check. I didn't change the version, so if I play the game, beta. Ah, okay. setting the live updating, so we should be good. So I just have to exit this team and reopen it. Ok, Pedro. Podemos testar. É só reabrir o Steam. Okay, so I can exit this guy. Okay, let's close Unreal Engine for today. I think it's good. Let's just open up Emitter. And there it is. It detects the update. I think if you want to get the beta access to testing, you firstly need to have the full version to complete the whole game, of course. Yeah, you have to complete the entire game, because you will unlock like a key. And if I remember right, I just have to... I don't know if... Yeah, okay, at the end of the game it provides you with the beta access, so you can then go to the properties of the game, go to beta, put the code here and check the code you should have the beta appearance. So yeah, it's only for the legit people that play the game at its fullest. Eu gosto muito dos teus latest followers que tu tens aí no Twitch. É só nós? Ah, o Doideiras TV. Ok, Emitters updated. Ah, de vez? Ah não, isto é a bateria. Tem 216 likes, né? Okay. Steam is updated. Again. And let's fucking play. I will share the audio of the game too, so let me check if actually I can share. It's not Unreal Engine sound, it's desktop sound, but no. Well, it won't be possible unless I create another channel on OBS. Let me actually try it. I don't know if I can hide. Or can I add another source, audio source? I don't remember. sketched. No, it won't work. Okay, forget about this. 2.8.26, so it should be updated. Waiting for Pedro. I'm going to just create, remove the all my settings just to start the game fresh, to see in terms of settings, in terms of achievements and unlocks. It's okay. All the levels are unlocked. I can click on these guys, so it's okay. My basic weapons are these ones. Options. Do I think I have everything on? Não? Deixa aí do Steam, se calhar, e abrir outra vez. Estás no beta? Está no beta, Branch. A partida estás. Ah. Ok. Do beta branch. Steam. Vais ao Steam. Vais ao library. Vais ao jogo, clique direito. Ok. Então, qual é, quando tu tens updates, qual é o API, o build ID? Quando vais nos updates, vais lá, clique direito, propriedades, propriedades não, sim, já propriedades, updates, build ID. Está diferente, tens que reiniciar o Steam. Reiniciar assim, tens tipo, carrega no ícone aqui no canto inferior, exit diretamente aqui. Ao pé das horas, o íconezinho do Steam das horas faz o exit a partir daí. My computer is lagging. Yeah, no, no. Okay, we have the sway weapon, we have lightsaber and the red, the main color of the game. We don't have any unlocking guns, so okay. Actually, we can grab this one because if you know where is the Easter egg, you can get it. These ones are not released yet. Actually, they shouldn't appear for the Steam version. For now it's okay. We can check the color, so I just switch to orange, so the lightsaber is now orange. So this part is working. We have no items, and we don't get any unlocks. So okay, shoot. Switch weapon, can launch grenade as usual. Everything's working. I don't have extra modes. I can click these guys. Let me check if everything's working.
I am ready to fight.
Actually checking everything. Okay, everything is working here. We shouldn't have any broken items. Shouldn't do it. Ah, okay, it's for the on-point. Okay. Actually, I need to fix rewatch this stream to take the notes. My helicopter seems to be flying around. It's flying around. I mean, oh no. Let me check the drone. Okay, they keep targeting me. Yeah, I should do it. Yeah, okay, so helicopter is working. They are trying to reach me out. If I don't press anything, once the battery is down, yeah, I can switch back.
I am ready to find.
Okay, back to main menu. Let's try this guy.
Unit AB 20171337. Welcome to life. As an Emitters AIP.
Let's keep the cinematic rolling to see if the process still working. It's already midnight, I really need to test fast. Okay. Alt enter. Mas não consegue girar as opções? Mas que está a sair do ecrã? Está a sair do ecrã ou quê? Não consegues pôr em modo janela nas opções? Window. Se fizeres window e apply não dá nada, não? Não dá, cara. No! If I do full screen, if I do resolution, apply, it should go full screen mode. Hopefully I'm on screen full screen mode now. This is freaking smooth now. Graphics. Let's go to Gumulti. Cria tu, podes criar. Okay, so I can refresh. Then I can see you. Sorte. Estava a ver que não conseguimos juntar. Tadã! Ok, estamos aqui. Estás-me a ver? Nice. Vê lá agora se já dá para disparar aqui nos inimigos. Nessas cenas. Vê lá aí. Eu consigo disparar. Deve estar a conseguir ver as coisas a destruir. The lag, okay, I have input lagging because the server. Que grande merda, mano. Se a tua... E tu consegues disparar? Dispara lá nas coisas. Não, mas para os objetos. Nice. Tá fixe, cara. Finally! After all these days, man. Aqui sim, no relevado tenho frames drops também. Mas fora? Também tens? Isto aqui já... É, estou a lagar por causa da ligação. I'm lagging for the connection. Yeah, it seems lagging to go to the connection. What the hell? There is a lot of things to cover in multiplayer, right? Pá, por alto até não está mal. Ah, desligaste foi? Não, mas desligaste o sistema. Ok? O sistema dos pontos aqui, isto. Experimenta lá aí o dos drones. Eu estou meio lagado, meu. Se as ligações não bocado tudo. Vê lá se consegues matar. Tens bravo ou não? Como assim? What the hell? Alt enter. The alt enter. For me it's in the mode. I'm gonna go back to alt enter. Alt enter doesn't handle very well. Yeah. Isto está um bocado bugado o alt enter, cara. Graphics. Window. Não, mas peraí, estou no modo window, cara. Full screen. Tens de especificar full screen aí. Resolução e a play. This full screen stuff is a mess in Unreal Engine. It's never works as expected. It's crazy. Estou em uma janela, não dá? Oh, can I be sure that I'm on full screen? Now on full screen. Ah, faz lá assim, faz lá assim, carrega no Windows uma vez, aparece-te o sistema do Windows, aqui já consegues arrastar a janela, não? Não conseguiste, não é? Com o Windows. Yeah. Yeah. Não, eu também, o rato, quando estás aqui, o rato também não sai do ecrã. Mesmo em Window Mode, tu tens que clicar no Window. Ah, ok, sim, o Alt Tab, basicamente, yeah. Porque acho que é o rato fica focos na janela, mas isto é como está feito o Unreal, não é? Não sei como é que é. Fogo, como assim, cara? Mas está a bugar em que sentido? Ai, caralho, mano. Não, esquece. Normalmente era suposto ele matar essa sessão. Melhor sempre criar, yeah. Sempre criar uma nova. It's always better to create a new session room instead of go. Criaste? Não, eu não criei. Não estou a encontrar a sessão, cara. Chegaste a criar? Não estou a encontrar. Yeah, no session song. Vou só abrir o game again. Oh, there it is. Eu tive que reiniciar o game. When I restart the game, it clears out. Yeah. Estou a ver os hitmarks. Estou a ver os teus hitmarks. Tu tens hitmarks? Okay. All the HD is messed up. And I think all the points are going to me. Mata lá um gajo. Eu acho que o dinheiro vai para mim. Deixa lá ver. Eu acho que conseguiu matar, sim. Vai lá, mata aí o gajo. Oh, tá brutal, tu consegues matar um drone do servidor, cara. Tá bem, fixe. E ganhaste dinheiro com este, não foi? Nice. Mata lá este. Seed money. Quanto money? Este já matei, já consegui. Toque money. Toque money. Ai. I can't leak it. Yeah. Como assim foi? A câmera, Need to fix the camera. Toma, ajuda aí. Ei, caraças. Agora, tá aí a bola, olha. Olha, já marquei um. The ball is not replicated. Oh, fuck. Então esquece. Okay, the ball is not the same. Bom, nada merda. Com jeitinho dá. Se porventura a bala sair do mapa, podes voltar aqui. Como é que não contou? Isto não conta. Eu tenho que resolver isto. That's my cat link. Andar lá com outra arma para experimentares outra arma. Deixa lá ver. Eu estou a mudar de arma. Isto está a mudar no teu? Nice. Ok, switching weapons. Espera aí, vou sair da som. Vou para casa. Vou buscar uma arma. Vou buscar uma arma à casa, galera. Não tenho. Tu tens armas? Então peraí. Ok, everything's correct. Back to menu. Yes. I told simply go multi. Okay, let's see if I can join. Phone server, yeah. Eu não consigo juntar, eu tenho que reiniciar sempre essa merda. I need to quit the game. Open it. Como assim? Ya. Já me juntei.
Welcome back home, soldier.
Eu já tenho a pistola.
Using the computers ahead.
Devia ter mudado só de uma para outra. Vá lá, home, e vá lá buscar armas. 2 armas diferentes. Yeah, thanks. I'm going to quit because I know that I need to refresh. Não! Ah, pensava que tinhas. Então... então vá lá ao AI Training e vou-te... Tu sabes onde é que está o spot da PG1? Ah, pronto.
Good job. You found a battery.
I'm going to grab it
Now
too.
try to find the respective charger and activate. Once activated, turrets automatically seek and destroy enemies. But only
Assim que tiveres a PG1, vais já a casa, vai, já. Equipas. Ou eu crio a sessão e juntas-te a mim, porque acho que vais ter a sessão ainda aberta. Isto é um bocado bugado.
use your MSS to call in your strength. It also
Bom, mas até não está mal. Acho que até está fixe. Depois deste esforço até há algum progresso nessa secretaria. Não, basta só apanhar a arma. Agora podes ir ao menu e... Não, podes ir até o menu. Pagas o menu, vais à casa. Equipas elas deve ter desbloqueadas, né? Eu não vou equipar porque quero fazer um teste. I'm not going to equip this PG1 because I need to test with Pedro about something about the field of view. The field of view of the aiming. Já criaste som? Não, peraí, não crias, eu crio. Porque a tua sessão ficou aberta, né? E então isto, enquanto não saís do jogo, isto fica meio bugado. Ok, I'm the server owner. Já tenho isto. Consegue juntar? Não. Acho que vais ter que reiniciar. Isto é um gajo tem que... acho que um gajo tem que sempre reiniciar isto. Epá, é estranho porque sempre que tu sais de uma sessão eu estou a forçar para ele limpar, mas pelos vistos não limpa. A prova é que ainda aparece na listagem, estás a ver? Mas isto, a listagem não quer dizer nada, podes ter a sessão ainda... Não, mas sim. Já não sei como é que isto funciona. Isto é muito multiplayer, mano. Estou sozinho a fazer este jogo, não sei como é que é. Vê lá se consegue juntar aí a minha. Deve ter um que é o ITEC. Acho eu. Acho que é o nome que é. Phonics, a cena da bola não ser replicada, isto é tão fácil de resolver, mano. Era só um tique que eu tinha que lá ir, só que não me lembrei. Aquela da bola, não ficar responsivo para a gente os dois, é uma merda boa. É só um tique que tinha que lá solucionar. Faz lá switch weapon. Não muda. Estás com que arma? Estás com... Mas... E é a mesma pistola. Glassbreaker e Glassbreaker. Eu tenho Glassbreaker e Metallium. Estava a pensar que podia ser o meu servidor. Mas eu não tenho a PG1 equipado, mas eu sou o servidor. Tu consegues ver a minha mudar aqui? Metallium, não é? E este é Glassbreaker, que é aquele que tu tens. Ok, esta parte até dá para ver as armas, está fixe. É um bocado bugado porque vê-se os braços, mas ao menos dá para perceber o que é que tens para equipar. Quantas vezes é que eu tento fazer isto? Não consigo. Porque quando eu tiro, ele tira completamente. Eu deixo de conseguir usar a arma. Eu não consigo pôr invisível para outro jogador, estás a ver? Eu tenho que ver como é que faço. Tenho que perceber, tenho que ir a mais além. É mais fluido ainda. Bom, mas então, espera aí, tu tens já PG1, mas quando vens para aqui... Não dá. Ok. Então deixa-me lá trocar aqui para a PG1, vamos fazer um teste. Tu estás com a PG1... foste quicado, não foste? Tenho que me lembrar disto. Accept to primary. Fixe, meu. Não. Eu vou criar outra vez. Não, peraí. Já. Não estou a criar. Acho que tem que se reiniciar o game. Mais uma vez. Let's go! Cheat codes. Vou criar então. Junta-te aí. A arma é laranja, está bem da fixe. Eu tenho um laranja tipo castanho. Também está bem fixe. Eu love you, it's working. Também sou o servidor. É? O menu principal, o nome da música que está em baixo no canto inferior, né? Se conseguires mandar um clique, mas já estou feliz. Depois de teste. Até não tá bom. Ih, estava a streamar no Discord? Fogo! Até por isso que o meu PC está todo lagado, cara. I'm streaming on the Discord this whole time, what the hell, man? Ok. Estou a ver, peraí. O gajo está a passar boas músicas. Vai lá o Options. Menu. Audio. áudio. Mete lá a música aí a 1% pelo menos. Ah, mano, eu conheço o Unreal Engine, mano. Eu conheço tanto o Unreal Engine. Porque, sabes porquê? Yeah. Não, basicamente ele tipo, quando não há música, não há elemento de áudio. Então o gajo cria um elemento de áudio novo. E por alguma razão ele está a fazer isto em loop. Mas não devia estar a fazer isso. Mas está-se bem, it's okay, it's a feature. So yeah, basically Pedro was talking about options. When I go to the options, in the main menu you can see the music shuffling like crazy. I think it's an Unreal Engine thing. Because if I set an audio component, I don't remember if it's an audio component or 2D audio, but when you do 0, it destroys the component and somehow it tries to recreate. So yeah, it can be crazy. The thing here, the work I want to do, it will be like to set the audio to be 0.001 to keep the audio on, or there should be like an option with audio priority. I can maybe check, but yeah, for some reason that's well, it's like glitchy bug, but it's not super important. At least you can shuffle the music like this, so it's good. If you don't like the music, just go to 0 and put it back to 100. That's a good tip. As long as it doesn't consume a lot of memory, I don't know how does that work, we are okay. Ela se consegue juntar. Na sessão criada. Yeah, I think that I need to do is, for example, when someone is joining the server, we should have like at least a message somewhere. I can maybe ask for Andy Voice Maker to do like a voice that yeah, a new challenger is coming. Eu mudei, porque eu mudei, yeah, that's the, ok, tenho um problema aqui, basicamente, como é que eu vou explicar isto? Eu também não sei, mas estás a ver, eu tenho a PG1, se eu fizer a mira, para já a mira está mamada, a mira não está centrada. Tu estás a fazer mira ou não? Faz lá a mira. Ok, faz lá a mira agora. Ok. Então não sei. Mas basicamente quando faço mira ele fica com aquele pontinho, mas não está centrado. E isto é tudo ligado. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, quando eu mudo a arma, yeah, when I change the weapons, it's to his camera, so all the field of views and everything is being not repeated. Se eu fizer mira deves ver, não? Ok. Mas pronto, tá, ok. Mas o field of view reduziu. Não, nem isso? Ok. Bom, tá bom. It's a lot of bugs. But yeah. Bom, ao menos podes vir com a tua arma de PG1. Espera aí, fica aí onde estás. Deixa-me lá. Vai disparando que eu estou a ouvir os teus sons. Ok. I keep hearing the sound effects of the gun of those guns, and even the camera shake. So yeah, I have a lot of things to fix there. Bom. Ah, eu deixei de disparar, mano. Ah não, peraí, não, it's okay. Eu tinha balas, ok. Tenho bué de bug para corrigir. E quando eu faço isso, então tens a câmera toda a tremer, não? Faz lá um slide. Ah, ok. Eu tenho a câmera shake aqui. Não fa... Se eu fizer, tu ficas com a câmera a abanar, não? Vou fazer slide. Faz assim. Isto está tudo fedido. Mas pronto. Até não está mal, já dá para disparar em alguns inimigos. Já dá para inventar qualquer coisa. Bom, está-se bem, para mim está testado. Pá, aos poucos vai ser lindo. A ver se ao menos a gente, na próxima vez, a gente consegue jogar um Rocket League aqui no Emitters. Pronto, acho que podemos bazar disto. Já testei. Quando tiveres a ocasião, pronto, experimenta o jogo em geral, a ver se passas os níveis todos e isso. A ver se tens bugs e merdas, armas ou tipo cenas. Tentar hackear o sistema, estás a ver? Tipo, sei lá, imagina, tipo, pegas numas armas e equipas outras. Vais ao crafter, pegas num crafter e depois vendes, pegas no mod e depois vendes, ou equipas o mod, ou compras só, estás a ver? Boas merdas. Tentar bugar o jogo e ver se, pronto, recebes o dinheiro, se estás a perder o dinheiro se estás a gastar o dinheiro mesmo quando tu compras o mod, e se estás a receber dinheiro quando quando revendes o mod, etc. Merdas assim, tipo, cenas para bugar, para ver mais no outro modo. Ok, thank you Pedro for the help. It's always help. It's always a pleasure. I think I'm done for today. It's quite good. I will notice Venom X about a beta release, so I can try it for fun. And yes, so that's it. Thanks for the people who got to the live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you on the next one.